Planet of the Fakes for Kids and Pigstar HH News. Disclaimer. For awareness and educational purposes only. If you're reading this, I'm dead. Teen left note at accused shooter's Harrisburg apartment. Court documents reveal Orlando P. Duarte, 45, of Harrisburg, is facing charges of criminal homicide and prohibited possession of a firearm. Harrisburg police. Harrisburg. The boy who was fatally shot after he was seen running away, naked, from the man charged in his killing had been at the suspect's home earlier that day, where police say he wrote a note saying, "If you're reading this, I'm dead." Charging documents, revealed today. Court documents have revealed several new details about the shooting death of 16-year-old Kyan King on Saturday. The accused shooter, Orlando Duarte, 45, is currently in Dauphin County Prison, facing criminal homicide and prohibited possession of a firearm charges. Harrisburg police say in charging documents that around 1 p.m. Saturday, they were called to the scene of a shooting at 18th and Forster Streets, where there had been a report of a naked person being shot by someone in an orange shirt. When police got to the scene, multiple residents pointed in the direction the man, later identified as Duarte, had fled. Police went in that direction and found Duarte, who started running away, documents indicate. An officer drew his weapon, and that's when they say Duarte tripped, dropping his own gun, a .22 caliber Smith & Wesson. Police say Kyan was lying on the ground and was unresponsive with gunshot wounds to his chest. Police rushed him to the hospital, where he died. At least 4.22 caliber shell casings were found at the scene, documents state. One witness told police that she was walking back from the store when she heard a loud yell for help. She could not tell where the shouting was coming from at first, but could tell that someone was in trouble. She soon heard gunshots. She told police she looked to her right and saw the boy on the ground and Duarte over him. Kyan said help again, but this time it was fainter, and Duarte shot him 2 more times, she told police. When Duarte turned and saw she had witnessed the incident, he ran, documents state. Another witness told police she was on her front porch about a block away when Kyan walked by. He told her he had been raped, and a man with a gun was after him. She tried to get him a towel to cover up, but within 4 minutes, she saw Duarte running with a gun in his hand. Once Duarte spotted Kyan, he started to shoot at him, she told the police. A third witness said he saw the boy at Duarte's apartment in the 600 block of North 17th Street earlier that day. Inside the apartment, police found a box of .22 caliber shell casings and 2 letters. One letter appeared to be from Kyan, saying, "If you're reading this, I'm dead." The letter went on to say how much he loved everyone. Near the back door was a pair of sandals, which investigators say were placed as if someone had run out of them, police say. Police tried to interview Duarte, but he would only tell them that he thought the boy was 18, court records state. Before he was charged in connection with Kyan's death this weekend, Duarte had been charged in 2 sexual assault cases more than a decade ago, in Dauphin County. According to court records, in 2007, the Dauphin County Criminal Investigation Division filed charges against Duarte. They said Duarte told a 7-year-old boy to come into the bedroom of his home on the 500 block of Forest Street in Harrisburg on March 13, 2005. That's when investigators say Duarte sexually assaulted the boy. In that case, Duarte was sentenced in 2008 to 6 to 23 months of confinement and probation after pleading no contest to charges of simple assault, recklessly endangering another person, indecent assault of a person less than 16, and disorderly conduct, court records indicate. Then in 2010, Harrisburg police filed more charges against Duarte. They say he repeatedly sexually assaulted a girl who was left in his care. She was between the ages of 6 and 9 during the duration of the assaults, investigators said. Duarte was sentenced in 2012 to 4 to 8 years in prison and 10 years of probation on those charges, which included involuntary deviate, sexual intercourse with a child, aggravated indecent assault of a child, aggravated indecent assault without consent, indecent assault of a person less than 13, unlawful contact with a minor, and corruption of minors. He was released from the State Correctional Institute, Camp Hill in May 2018. He had been added to Pennsylvania's Megan's Law Registry in November 2015 for involuntary, deviate sexual intercourse and is listed as a lifetime sex offender. On the new criminal homicide charges, Duarte is set for a preliminary hearing Sept 28. Thank you very much. Go to www.